Are you ready to level up your programming skills and become a bug-slaying ninja? Welcome to the world of C programming, where mastering code is like mastering a sword. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how ELEATION's C training program can help you slay bugs and kickstart your programming career. Why C programming, you ask? Well, C is like the foundation stone of all modern programming languages. From operating systems to embedded systems, mastering C gives you the power to understand how things work under the hood. Think of it as learning the core principles of coding that will make you unstoppable in the tech world. At ELEATION, our C training program is designed to take you from a complete newbie to a bug-slaying ninja in no time. With hands-on projects, real-world examples, and expert mentorship, we'll guide you through the ins and outs of C programming, helping you understand every single concept with ease. What makes a great coder? The ability to find and fix bugs like a pro. Our C training program sharpens your debugging skills, helping you hunt down errors efficiently. From runtime errors to logical bugs, we'll equip you with all the tools to identify and eliminate them, making you a true bug-slaying expert. So, what's in it for you? At ELEATION, we provide more than just lectures. You'll get hands-on projects to build your confidence, internship projects to work on real-world applications, a training certificate to boost your resume, and exclusive mentorship from industry experts. All of this for just Rs 2,499. But wait, register now using the QR code and get a special discount. Pay only Rs 1,000 and start your journey toward becoming a C programming expert. Wondering why ELEATION's C training program stands out? Unlike others, we focus on practical, real-world skills that companies actually look for. You'll have lifetime access to our video tutorials, be part of real internship projects, and receive a letter of recommendation, all of this at an unbeatable price. And the best part? You'll be ready for job interviews in no time. Ready to transform into a bug-slaying ninja? Don't miss out on this opportunity. Scan the QR code, register now, and pay just Rs 1,000 to start your journey with ELEATION's C training program. Trust me, you'll be coding like a pro in no time. See you in the course. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Let's help more people become bug-slaying ninjas in the world of C programming.